Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A42, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. And to get started, let's hold power key. Once you see the boot options, you want to then hold power off. When you hold it for about a second or so, it will change into safe mode. So from here, simply tap on it, and it will now reboot into safe mode. And there we go. As you can see now that it's back on, the device is now in safe mode, which you can see based on this message right over here. So that is how you would boot your device into this mode. And if you want to leave it, all you need to do is this time hold power key and simply tap on restart. And once it boots back up into Android, it will go back to the normal mode. And as you can see, now the process is finished. We're back in the Android, back in the normal mode, and that is basically how you boot in and out of the safe mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.